Welcome back to another video. So in this video, I would like to show you one recent GitHub repo change which I have done. So without wasting further time, I quickly directly show you. So this was my message buddy repo, and I am working on the school playlist where I am reading all my local messages and creating. Um, and creating expense tracker on top of this, so you can check that out as well. I will link that in the description and I button above. So yeah, coming back to this video, so let's go to repositories. Yeah, so this is my profile page. If you notice here, it is a readme file and it is showing all this stuff. And if you notice here, it is displaying the timeline thing. So this is something I worked on yesterday's, and to achieve this, I would like to show you one thing. So GitHub provides this out of the box feature app. If you create a public repo with the same name of your username, so this is my username Kumud Gupta 76, and I have created this repo Kumud Gupta dot 76. So if you notice here, uh, I have made some contribution on this tomorrow, and this is how my old repo looks like. So if I browse files, yeah, so this is how it looks earlier, and I have changed it to something like uh, github.com. So from this to this. So what I have done is basically, so from past couple of months, I have been quite active on the GitHub, and I am pushing some code once a week, for sure. And I'm creating some side project. This is my buddy personal app, and this is stream agenda. So this was the to do app, and this is my early expense tracker app money, and these are other apps as well. So if you notice these, I would like to show it is like a timeline. So on November 25, I worked on my profile app, and also worked on this MCP server thing. So this is kind of cool timeline thing which I have created. So whenever I commit anything, it fetches it and it will show you those commits here. So for example, this is one recent commit for last day. So last active on 6 June, and these are the commits which I have made. And inside this repo, one more thing I have done is basically kind of setting up code, setting up a GitHub action. So this action runs on daily basis. Yeah, so this is I triggered manually, and I think this is auto generated. So this GitHub action fetches all the commits in public repo. uh, Update readme timeline. So this particular step, which run this script and fetches all the commit data messages and create a timeline and update this readme file automatically. So I don't need to worry about doing these changes manually, and it is showing this cool graph as well. So yeah, So I find it very interactive and uh, useful feature, which is kind of basically showcasing all my work which I'm doing on my GitHub. So whenever someone visits my profile, they can look into this main section page and find all the projects which I'm currently working on. Yeah, so in this video, this was it I would like to cover and share it with you all. So if you find it interesting, so stay tuned on this channel and I'll keep posting such videos. I hope you like it, and I'll see you in the next one.